Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay. So in today's lecture, we'll see how to optimize Google Ads using ad schedule. So without further ado, let's get started. So we are in the ad schedule options of our Google Ads. You can see over here. So you can see we have the day and time available here, like in which days we got how many clicks, how many impressions we have received in these specific days, and what is the CTR, what is the average CPC, what is the cost, how many conversions we got, what is the cost per conversion, and last of all, what is the conversion rate. Okay, so all the metrics are available. So on the basis of those metrics, you can either increase bids for those specific days and time, or you can also decrease the bids. Okay. So I'm gonna sort it by conversions. So let's see which days and which time we got the highest amount of conversions. So you can choose any metrics like clicks, CTR, uh, conversion, or cost per conversion for increasing bid adjustment. Okay, so it's up to you. For the time being, I'm going to choose conversions. Okay, so let's see. So we can see Thursday 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. So this was our scheduled time. In Thursday, we got 10 conversions, and our CTR was above 18%, and conversion rate was above 10%. Okay, so you can increase bids for this specific days like Thursdays. Okay, so I'm gonna increase the bids for Thursday by 2%. Okay, then what will happen in Thursday will be bidded 2% higher than other days. Okay, so hopefully you have understood all those things. How can you optimize your Google Ads using ad schedule? Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.